you want strong arms on reformer, this is how you do it. So, sitting sideways on the machine, this is called side twist sitting. You're gonna pick up the front strap. I'm sitting crisscross applesauce, trying to retain neutral, which means sitting up straight, squeezing my stomach in, arms at shoulder height. And you're looking at your hand and you're twisting with the obliques. So you're here and you're gonna pull your stomach in, exhale, and twist. So it's inhale and exhale. Now what you don't wanna do, okay, if your circle turns into an oval, okay, you're doing too much focus on the arms. So you're getting your arms anyway, but if you yank it across like that, a lot of times people tend to go like this. Okay, yeah, that's not it. So you're here, sit up straight, which is hard. You can do it. Squeeze your stomach in, pull it tight, belly button to spine, exhale, and you rotate and you're twisting at the waistline. When you do this the right way, it feels amazing for your back. This is like healthy spine 101. Try it and let me know how you feel. Number 2 is internal rotation. So elbow glued to the side. I'm keeping my other hand resting. Okay, so single arm. One red spring, side twist, internal rotation. So again, because I'm working all the muscles in and around the shoulder, okay, I'm getting my upper body, my arm, I'm trying to keep my body still, or hips to ribs stacked. Okay, so core is engaged to sit up straight and not move, whereas before we were rotating, twisting. Now you're going to exhale for internal rotation. Back, sword in the pocket. So pretend you're putting a sword in the opposite pocket. So it's up and back. Really good for frozen shoulder or just keeping the mobility around your shoulders. Charlie's Angels. Okay, because for those of you who remember Charlie's Angels, they're always like, right? They had their gun in their pocket and then they would twist and move over. That's what you want. You want that healthy twisting at the upper body with the torso, okay, for functional living. So this is difficult for everyone. You're gonna bring your elbow back a little bit because again, you want that mobility in the shoulder, right? Right. So you're gonna twist all the way across. This is not easy. Now again, I'm getting that twisting motion from my waistline. Because I'm seated, I have to use my stomach. Because I'm in a moving platform, I have to stabilize with the core. Reformer does the work for you. What you have to do is sit up straight and rotate, all right? So it's like Charlie's Angels. Same strap, and you put it to the other hand. And this one's really challenging on obliques as well. So now my elbow is glued to my waist. I'm trying to keep my chest steady, and you're gonna open up. So you could do this with a flex band at home, okay? Again, body staying still, hips to ribs are stacked, engaging the core, I'm on a moving platform, and I'm going to, ready? Open that door. So it's open the door. This is so much harder than it looks, just so you know. My oblique right here is like burning. That's what you want. You want your core involved with the upper body movements. I'll talk about the backhand. So you know when we had this arm going up and back, now we're gonna do the opposite. So I always joke around, this is like self-defense, okay? Or I guess that could be functional training in the future. Hopefully not, but anyway. So if you're going up and you're going like back, it's like you're gonna elbow someone behind you, okay? So same opposite hand, right? Same as we did with the external rotation. Now you're gonna bring your elbow back. So it's hips to ribs stacked, back, up and back. Now, there's something called the backhand. When you get really strong, you can go for that, all right? So it's, again, keeping my body stable on a moving platform, core stabilizers engaged, exhaling as I pull back and punch it through, almost like you're doing a backhand in tennis, okay? Punch, punch, punch. That is a lot of tricep. And just so you know, my backhand in tennis is terrible, but I can do it here. Have a good day.